What if the secret to clear, firm, glowing skin wasn't some expensive product, it was already sitting in your fridge? Today I'm going to show you 10 everyday foods that help your body make and protect collagen, which is basically the thing that keeps your skin looking young and smooth. And for every food, I've got a real study to back it up, so this isn't just made-up advice. Let's quickly talk about what collagen even is. Think of it like a stretchy net underneath your skin that keeps everything tight and bouncy. As you get older, your body makes less of it, and that's when wrinkles and saggy skin start showing up. The good news is a 2020 study in the journal Nutrients found that people who eat more fruits, vegetables, and fish regularly have fewer wrinkles and less sun damage than people who don't. So what you eat every day actually shows up on your face over time. Okay, let's get into the foods. Number 1, bone broth and slow-cooked meats. When you cook meat on the bone for a long time, like in a stew or slow cooker, the bones release special proteins called glycine and proline. These are like the raw materials your body uses to build collagen. A study on the amino acid content of beef, chicken, and turkey bone broth confirmed that these broths really do contain these collagen-building amino acids. The longer it cooks, the more you get. So that slow-cooked stew your family makes, it's actually great for your skin. Number 2, oily fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. These fish are packed with omega-3 fats that calm down inflammation inside your body. Inflammation is basically your body being irritated from the inside, and it breaks collagen down faster. A review published in Marine Drugs found that people who ate more omega-3 rich fish oils needed more UV exposure to get sunburned, and their skin had fewer irritation chemicals after being in the sun. Less inflammation means your collagen sticks around longer. Try to eat fish a couple of times a week. Number 3, citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruit. Here's something important. Your body cannot make collagen at all without vitamin C. It physically cannot do it. Vitamin C is the trigger that tells your body to start building collagen fibers. A study in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology found that getting more vitamin C from food directly increases collagen production in human skin. 1 orange a day, lemon in your water, or lime on your food. It sounds small, but it genuinely helps your skin build collagen every day. Number 4, berries. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries. These are loaded with vitamin C and special pigments called anthocyanins. Those are what give berries their deep colors. Those pigments act like a protective shield against sun damage and pollution on your skin. A 2023 review in Frontiers in Nutrition found that people who regularly ate fruits had better skin, hydration, and stronger collagen and elastin fibers, which is exactly what keeps skin firm and smooth. Throw a handful of berries on your oatmeal or yogurt in the morning. That one habit makes a real difference. Okay, quick pause. If you're enjoying learning how normal food can literally change how your skin looks and ages, go ahead and hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I post videos like this every week, in simple, easy-to-understand language. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, back to the list. Number 5, eggs. Eggs are cheap, easy, and honestly amazing for your skin. The egg white gives you proline, which is one of the building blocks of collagen. The yolk gives you nutrients that help your cells repair themselves. The nutrients paper on diet and skin. Aging says very clearly that your body needs protein from food every day to make structural proteins like collagen and elastin. Whether you scramble them, boil them, or make an omelet, eggs are working for your skin every single meal. Number 6. Dark, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula. These veggies are full of vitamin C, magnesium, are basically your body's defense squad against free radicals, tiny unstable molecules that damage collagen from the inside. A 2025 review in Frontiers in Physiology found that leafy greens are especially good at reducing that free radical damage and protecting collagen over time. Even just 1 serving of greens a day in your eggs, in a smoothie, or on the side, is your skin getting that extra protection daily? Number 7, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. These are like a moisturizer for your skin, but from the inside. They're packed with vitamin E and healthy fats that keep your skin barrier strong. When your skin barrier is strong, it holds moisture better and protects the collagen underneath. A 15-year study on diet and skin aging found that people who ate the most antioxidant-rich foods, which includes nuts and seeds, had about 10% less sun-related skin damage than those who ate the least. A small handful of nuts as a snack every day is a super easy habit that builds up over time. Number 8. Colorful peppers. Here's a fun fact most people don't know. Red and yellow bell peppers actually have more vitamin C than most citrus fruits. More than an orange. On top of that, they contain carotenoids, which are bright plant pigments that protect your skin from UV damage and help keep your skin tone even. The same nutrients study found that people who eat more green and yellow vegetables tend to have fewer wrinkles, especially on parts of their face that get a lot of sun. Toss some peppers in your salad, wrap, or stir-fry. They do way more than just add color. Number 9. Tomatoes. What makes tomatoes awesome for your skin is something called lycopene, the red pigment that makes tomatoes red. Lycopene works like a mild internal sunscreen. It doesn't replace real sunscreen, but it helps your skin handle sun exposure better from the inside. A double-blind study published in Skin Pharmacology and Physiology found that people who ate tomato phytonutrients had way less UV-related redness and skin damage than the group that didn't. One more tip, lycopene actually gets absorbed better when tomatoes are cooked with a little olive oil, so tomato soup or a simple marinara sauce is even better than raw tomatoes. Number 10. Garlic and onions. These two are in almost every savory recipe for a reason, but they do way more than just taste good. They're full of sulfur compounds, and sulfur is something your body needs to actually hold collagen fibers together properly. A review in Nutrients on Skin Aging and Dietary Components found that the sulfur compounds in garlic help protect the collagen and elastin framework in your skin by reducing oxidative stress. Every time you cook with garlic and onions, which is probably all the time, you're already helping your collagen without even realizing it. Bonus: green tea. Green tea contains catechins, which are natural plant compounds that fight inflammation and actually slow down the enzymes that break collagen down. A 2024 review in the journal Antioxidants found that people who drank green tea catechins regularly had better skin elasticity, smoother skin, better moisture, and less UV-related redness. Swapping one soda or sugary drink for green tea each day is honestly one of the easiest skin habits you can start today. So what does a collagen-friendly day of eating look like in real life? Breakfast is a spinach and tomato omelette with a handful of berries and a cup of green tea. Lunch is grilled salmon over a salad with leafy greens, bell peppers, and a sprinkle of walnuts with lemon and olive oil. Snack is an orange and a small handful of almonds. Dinner is a slow-cooked stew made with bone broth, garlic, onions, and tomatoes with a side of sautéed spinach or kale. That's it. No fancy ingredients. No expensive stuff. Just real food, eaten consistently every day. A 2025 systematic review called Dietary Interventions in Skin Aging looked at all the available human research and found that healthy fats, and plant compounds from whole foods showed real benefits across multiple signs of skin aging. It's not about one magic food, it's about the whole pattern coming together. Here is the simple truth. Your skin is literally made from what you eat. When you give it protein, vitamin C, healthy fats, and antioxidants from real food every day, your body has everything it needs to keep building collagen and keep your skin glowing for years. No expensive cream or pill can do what consistent, good food does over time. Your grocery cart is honestly more powerful than anything on the shelf at Sephora. If this video helped you think about food and your skin differently, please hit subscribe and tap the notification bell. I share easy, science-backed health tips every single week, and you don't want to miss them. Share this with a friend who's spending money on skincare but not thinking about what they eat. And drop a comment below. Which of these 10 foods are you already eating? And which one are you going to start adding this week? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.